Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our last lesson for quarter 2, lesson 16. Last na siya for our second quarter, entitled Writing Proofs, Direct and Indirect. We need to have our proofs in every investigation so that our answer will be credible or believable or correct. And there are two kinds of our proving statements, direct or indirect. When we say direct, diretsuhan ay nagidya positive statement. Ang indirect naman niya is negating it, delivering your proofs in the negative way or opposite of it. Okay, so here is a table, the properties of equality that we should master. We should be familiar because these are the things that you should write in your reasons. Nag-equal na siya. So, reason mo, addition property of equality. See, ang addition of property of equality, kung magdugang ka, and then may plus in, plus. Subtraction property of equality, when you subtract naman, diba? When we balance equations, sometimes we add, and so we say addition property of equality. When we minus or subtract, we say subtraction property of equality. When we multiply, it's multiplication property of equality. For division, we divide both sides by a certain number para magbalance, and so we say division property of equality. And then we say naman transitive property of equality, we just, from the word transitive, pwede mo miski unahon mo sa piyak, no? Pwede lang gyapon, equal lang. 7 plus 5 equals 12, and 12 equals 10 plus 2. It's okay. It's two way of writing addends so that they will answer 12. Meaning, 7 plus 5 man na, or 10 plus 2 man ang answer, pero yes gyapon 12. Okay. Sige. I suggest that you will write this, pin this, para matandaan niya. Okay. Let's have an example 1. This is very easy. Prove that if 3x plus 6 equals 18, then x equals 4. So, let us prove that if we will substitute 4 to x, ang answer is 18. Class, a given na idaan ha. Ara na nadaan. Given, 3x plus 6 equals 18. I-prove mo nga si x equals 4 gid dapat. Okay? So, we will prepare two tables. The first, this table, first column is for statements. Meaning, anong pag-process mo. And your reasons will come from your properties of equality. Okay, number 1 statement. 3x plus 6 equals 18. Okay? Diba mag-solve ka muna una-una, copy mo mana. So, what's your reason? It is from your given. Amo nang given mo, tibutang mo dahil. Given. Nan. Okay? Next, anong din mo on sa 3x plus 6 equals 18? Oh, diba? We will apply the balancing equations. We'll do away with 6 para sa 3x lang mabilin. So, subtract 6 from this part and then the other part. So, it will become 3x equals 12. O, anong reason? Ano siya nga property? Subtraction property of equality. Nga kaya nag-subtract ka dahil. Next, 3x equals 12 becomes, diba? Divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 4. Dugin solve mo lang siya. And your reason is, syempre, division property of equality. That's it. Gimpakita mo lang bale nga si 3x plus 6 equals 18. How to solve x equals 4. There is the process. Okay? Ang reasons mo, paanong step by step na process. Ara lang. Okay? Kung di may tsindihan, repeat on keep watching this video. Next, wala labot sa atong table. We have properties of equalities other than I have given you. Let A, B, and C be real numbers. They're real numbers. They're not negative numbers. Okay? So, we have reflexive property. When we say reflexive property, A equals A. Miski sulion mo pa na sa A di sa piyak, A di sa piyak. Parehas mo na sila gyapon A. Diba? Parehas mo sila number 1 equals 1. Same. Symmetric property. Like this. If A equals B. Miski sulion mo si A kag si B, parehas mo na gyapon. No? Nga si A equals B. B equals A. Next, transitive property. As I've said, transitive, even if you transfer mo siya, A equals B and B equals C, A equals C man gyapon. Right? Sige, ilunggohan ko ha. Sa transitive property bala, si A ko no, parehas lang kay B. Si B parehas lang kay C. Then, si A kag C, equal magyapon. Okay, equal sila tanan. Next, addition property, amo na siya kung mag-add ka, mag-balancing equation. Subtraction property, so mag-subtract ka lang. Multiplication, then multiply, division, divide. Again, pin this or copy this para madunduman nyo kung ano ang statement ibutang nyo. Okay? Ari naman, let me define you. A proof is a logical argument in which each statement you make is supported or justified by given information, definitions, axioms, postulates, theorems, and previously proven statements. An axiom is any mathematical statement that serves as a starting point from which other points are logically derived. We have these terms, class of math, proof, axiom, postulate. A postulate is a statement that is accepted without proof. So our mathematicians have already given those statements without proof na postulate na. Theorem. Theorem is a statement accepted after it is proved deductively. So, ang postulate niya accepted without proof. Ang theorem niya, you have to prove it deductively from general to specific. There are two methods in writing proofs, direct proof and indirect, as I have discussed already. Ang direct is sample nga diin ka ga eskwela. And so, ma-prove mo siya by way of saying, she has a uniform about this, she has an idea about this. Ang indirect naman niya, ti kung wala da siya ga eskwela, ti nang nga hindi amo na iya uniform, nga amo ni nga ang do negation balaklas. Okay, sample lang na. Okay, let's not deal with that kaya rin lang. Here is one way of organizing your proof. May two ways man to organizing a proof. Pwede ka mag-if then, just like what we had practice bila. If 2 is like that, then mamo na. Ang ini naman niya pinaka-post class is the 2-column form. Ato mo lang example ko kagina. Are. Example, 2-column form is one way of organizing a proof. This consists of 2 columns, one for statements and one for reasons. Are 2 column, first column statements, second column reasons. Okay, example 1. If 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 56, then x equals 8. Given 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 56. I-prove mo, how did you get x equals 8? So, copy 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 56. O, given na, dra na siya nagka. And then, i-perform mo, i-multiply mo, i-distributive property of equality na kasi gina-distribute mo ang 2 times 3x plus 2 times 4. It will become 6x plus 8 equals 56. Okay, then simplification ang reason. You will do away with 8, so add negative 8 to both sides. That's subtraction property of equality. Then, simplify 6x equals 48. Divide both sides by 6. That's division property of equality. And answer x equals 8. Simplification. That's it. That's how you prove it. Okay. So, here is lesson 16 activity. Consider the statement for your answers. Ari klasa may missing. Number 6. Ano na siya nga property? Diri ka mo pili. Klasa sa number 6. Answers. Number 7. Ari naman. Balikan nyo ito mga properties na ginhatag ka sa inyo. Okay. Mula to, duwa lang kabilog. For further questions, PM me. Keep on repeating on watching this video. Thank you.